In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to Emory University. To get started, go to Emory University's official application page and review the admission options available to you. Emory allows students to apply using either the Common Application or QuestBridge. So your first task is choosing the platform that fits your situation best. If you're applying through the standard college admissions route, the Common Application is the most common choice. If you're a QuestBridge applicant, you'll follow that process instead. As you prepare your application, it's helpful to know that Emory reviews applicants holistically. That means the university is not looking at just one part of your application. Instead, they consider the full picture, including the rigor of your academic coursework, your grades, any test scores you choose to submit, and your extracurricular involvement. So as you move through the process, make sure every part of your application reflects your strengths clearly and thoughtfully. You'll also need to pay the application fee, which is $75, unless you qualify for and submit a fee waiver request. Be sure to take care of that early so it doesn't delay your submission. Next, gather your academic records. Emory requires your official high school transcript as well as a secondary school report. These documents help the admissions team understand your academic background and the context of your school experience, so it's a good idea to request them with enough time before the deadline. You'll also need recommendation materials. Emory asks for one counselor recommendation and one academic teacher evaluation. Choose people who know your work well and can speak specifically about your abilities, character, and classroom performance. For testing, Emory is test optional. That means you can decide whether or not to include SAT or ACT scores. If you believe your scores strengthen your application, you may self-report them or send them officially. If not, you can still apply without them. Another important part of the application is the supplemental writing. You'll need to complete 2 short Emory-specific essays, each around 150 words. Because they're brief, it's important to be direct, personal, and intentional with your answers. When applying, you can choose between Emory College, which is the main campus in Atlanta, Oxford College, which has a more liberal arts-focused environment, or both at the same time. Applying to both does not hurt your chances, so if you're interested in both experiences, it can be worth selecting both options. Finally, keep the deadlines in mind. Early Decision Y is due November 1st, and Early Decision 2, as well as Regular Decision, are due January 1st. Give yourself plenty of time to complete every requirement carefully so you can submit a strong and polished application.